Unleash the full potential of your Apple Watch Series 8. Must-know tips and tricks. Customize watch faces. One way to enhance the personalization of your Apple Watch and make it a unique reflection of your style and preferences is by taking advantage of the watch face customization options available. By utilizing the various customization tools such as changing the color scheme, adding complications, and selecting different styles, you can transform your Apple Watch into a personalized accessory. This not only displays the time but also showcases your individuality. So make your Apple Watch truly yours by exploring the vast array of customization options and creating a watch face that perfectly fits your personality and needs. Press and hold the watch face, then tap Customize to adjust colors, complications, and more. Swipe left or right to choose from a wide variety of pre-designed faces or create your own unique combination. Use theater mode. If you happen to find yourself in a dimly lit or dark environment such as a movie theater or a concert hall, it is important to be respectful of others by keeping any distractions to a minimum. One way to do this is by enabling theater mode on your Apple Watch. By doing so, you can prevent your watch from lighting up and causing a disturbance to those around you. This mode also turns off the race to wake feature, ensuring that your watch remains dark and unobtrusive until you intentionally tap the screen or press the digital crown to check the time or access other features. Simply swipe up on the watch face and tap the theater mask icon. Track your sleep. Take advantage of the built-in sleep tracking feature on your Apple Watch. To better understand your sleeping habits and promote healthier sleep, you can wear your Apple Watch Series 8 while you sleep. By doing so, you can track your sleep patterns, including the duration and quality of your rest, and gain insights into how well you're sleeping. Armed with this information, you can make adjustments to your sleep routine and optimize your habits for better rest and overall health. Optimize battery life. To extend your Apple Watch's battery life, consider disabling features like always on display, race to wake, or background app refresh for specific apps. Adjust these settings in the Watch app on your iPhone under Display and Brightness and General. Use water lock mode. If you're a fan of swimming or enjoying water-based activities, you may want to take your Apple Watch Series 8 with you to keep track of your progress and monitor your fitness goals. However, it is important to protect your device from water damage and accidental screen touches while you're in the water. One way to do this is by activating the water lock mode on your watch. This feature temporarily disables the touchscreen and prevents any accidental interactions while you're in the water. Simply swipe up on the watch face, tap the water droplet icon, and rotate the digital crown to unlock it afterward and expel any water. Take ECG readings. If you have an Apple Watch Series 8 with ECG capabilities, use the ECG app to record and analyze your heart's electrical activity. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to get a comprehensive heart health assessment. Control camera shutter. Turn your Apple Watch into a remote control for your iPhone's camera. Open the camera app on your iPhone, then use the camera remote app on your Apple Watch to frame the shot and capture photos or videos remotely. Share your activity. Stay motivated and compete with friends by sharing your activity progress. Open the activity app on your iPhone, tap the sharing tab, and invite friends to participate. You can challenge each other, share achievements, and cheer each other on. Remember, these are just a few tips and tricks to enhance your Apple Watch Series 8 experience. Explore the settings, apps, and features to discover more ways to make the most out of your smartwatch.